If you're trying to download Pokémon Champions from the Google Play Store, but instead you're seeing the message, your device isn't compatible with this version, then this tutorial will show you why this happens and what you can do to fix it. Let's go through everything step by step. The first thing you should do is check the official device requirements for Pokémon Champions. I'll leave the official compatibility page linked in the description of this video. On that page, you'll find the minimum requirements for both Android and iPhone devices. Since this tutorial is focused on Android, let's look at those requirements. According to the official information, your phone should be running Android 13 or later and have at least 4 GB of RAM. The developers also mention that even if your device meets these minimum requirements, the game may still not work correctly on every device. For example, phones that have been modified, rooted, or running unofficial software may not be supported. They also mention that compatibility with newly released Android versions may take some time, so support can change as updates are released. Now let's check whether your phone meets these requirements. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Here you can see how much RAM your device has. If your phone has less than 4 GB of RAM, that could be the reason why Google Play says your device isn't compatible. Next, let's check your Android version. Go back to Settings, scroll down and tap About Phone. Then open Software Information. Here you'll find your current Android version. If your phone is running Android 13 or later, then it meets the minimum operating system requirement. However, if you're using Android 12 or an older version, you'll need to update your device if an update is available. Once the update is complete, open the Google Play Store again and search for Pokémon Champions to see if the compatibility issue has been resolved. Now there's another important thing I want to mention. If your phone isn't compatible, don't try downloading random APK files from unofficial websites. Many users try to bypass the Play Store this way, but when they launch the game, they often receive another error telling them to get this app from the Play Store. This usually happens because the game requires official installation and Play Store verification before it can run correctly. For that reason, it's always recommended to install Pokémon Champions directly from the Google Play Store whenever possible.